Hi guys, today we are out in the field with a real monster combine from the 1980s. The John Deere 8820 Titan II is a 225 horsepower machine with a 222 bushel capacity, which was huge for the 1980s. These were designed to handle the big 12-row heads that were becoming popular in the 80s. This one is running an 8-row head, and it's able to run at about 1.3 to 1.5 miles an hour depending on the crop conditions. This combine has an extra tough look with these wide floater tires. It's running 73 by 44-32 tires on the front, which really helps with flotation and some of the muddy conditions, but it also just gives it a real wide, tough look to the combine. This farm also runs a John Deere 9610 combine. The 9610 was John Deere's biggest combine in 1997 and 1998. So it's neat to see these two John Deere combines that were the biggest models of their time still working together in 2022. This 8820 is equipped with a Prairie Big Top extension, which allows you to get a lot more corn in. It brings the total capacity up to 282 bushels. This allows the combine to get just a few more passes in before it has to unload, adding some efficiency to the harvest. I hope you've had fun being out in the field with this 8820 Titan II working on corn harvest in northern New York. Please take a moment to support the channel and subscribe so you don't miss any Tractor Chasers videos.